यस। हेलो स्टूडेंट, देखिए इससे पहले टॉपिक हमने डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपका कंप्लीट किया है। नेक्स्ट हम टॉपिक लेकर चलते हैं यूनिट प्रोबेबिलिटी। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी के बारे में हम लोग जो है 9th 10th और 11th क्लास से पढ़ते आते हैं, जो फंडामेंटल लॉज ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट्स which is associated with the sample space of a random experiment you know very well। अब यहाँ पर हम 12th के सिलेबस में सबसे पहला टॉपिक हमारा आता है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी। तो कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी का मीनिंग यहाँ पर क्या है, देखिए अगर हमारे पास में दो या दो से ज़्यादा कोई भी इवेंट्स हैं और हम उसमें कंडीशन लगा देते हैं कि यदि उनमें से कोई भी एक इवेंट पहले हो चुकी होती है तो तब दूसरे वाली जो इवेंट्स है उसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ लेते हैं, सपोज वी टेक द ए बैग कंटेनिंग द 5 रेड एंड द 5 ब्लैक बॉल। तो देन व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द थ्रोन 1 रेड बॉल इफ ऑलरेडी 1 रेड बॉल इज थ्रोन। अगर उसमें से ऑलरेडी एक रेड बॉल आप ड्रॉ कर चुके हो तो तब उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी। या हम ये कहें कि भाई हमने एक रेड बॉल पहले ड्रॉ कर ली और उस रेड बॉल को बैग से निकाल करके हमने वापस जो है बाहर रख दिया और उसके बाद कहते हैं कि व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द थ्रोन ए ब्लैक बॉल इफ द विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट। अगर हम निकालें कि भाई उस बॉल को हमने बैग के अंदर वापस नहीं रखा था, तो उससे रिप्लेस नहीं किया था, तो इससे क्या होगा कि जो नेक्स्ट अगली इवेंट्स होगी उसमें जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल पॉइंट्स हैं, टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स हैं, उसमें चेंज आ जाएगा और इससे अगले वाली जो इवेंट्स है वो डिपेंड कर जाएगी पहले वाली इवेंट्स पर। तो इस तरह की जो हमारी इवेंट्स होती है और उनकी जो प्रोबेबिलिटीज हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड द conditionally probability. Let E and F are any two events if we consider which are associated with a sample space of a random experiment. The conditional probability of the event E, given that F if the event F has already occurred, अगर event F पहले से ही हो चुकी है, it is denoted and defined as probability of E by F। E by F का मीनिंग यहाँ पर क्या सेंस है कि what is the probability of E? Here we want to determine the probability of E when the events F have already occurred। अगर event F आपकी पहले से ही घट चुकी हो तो it's equal to defined as the probability of the E intersection F डिवाइडेड बाय द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ। इसका मतलब जो प्रोबेबिलिटी जो इवेंट पहले से हो चुकी है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे इन दोनों के इंटरसेक्शन की प्रोबेबिलिटी को। देखिए इवेंट ई एफ दोनों को निकालना हम जानते हैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से। हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट द इवेंट्स ई, राइट द सैंपल पॉइंट ऑफ द इवेंट ई इन फेवर of the event F, and by taking the intersection of the event E and F, and after that we use this formula find the conditionally probability। Now there are the some properties for the कुछ result है आपके conditionally probability से related। Property number first, let if we consider E and F be any two events which are associated with the sample space of a random experiment, then we have probability of S by F। Conditional probability of S is equal to probability of F by E is always equal to probability of आपकी जो होगी किसके इक्वल होती है, this is equal to always equal to the this is equal to 1। ये हमेशा आपकी 1 के इक्वल होगी। F by F, यहाँ पर ये F by F है। अब हम लोग इसका प्रूफ अगर लेकर के चलें तो then we find the proof of this property as यस, अगर हम यहां देखें तो वी टेक probability of S by N. By the definition of the conditional probability, we can write this probability of S intersection F or by probability of F. देखिए, if we see here, that is the sample space S, or this is the any event is F. So then, what is the value of the S intersection F? Should be equal to F, or that is equal to Pf, or by that is equal to Pf, or this is equal to 1. Now, हमने लिया, हमें क्योंकि this result is equal to 1 आ गया. Now we take probability of F by F, probability of F by F is equal to probability of F intersection F, or that is divided by probability of F, or this is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ देखें, by the definition of the intersection of the two set, we get here this is equal to Pf upon Pf, or this is equal to 1, or this implies that we get, हमें यहाँ से क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा? This implies that we get probability of S, or that is by F, is equal to probability of F, or by that is F, or that is equal to 1. तो ये property आपकी होगी फर्स्ट. Now property number 2, अगर हम yes, property number 2 में, if A and B are any two events of a sample space S and FP an event of S, any events of S as such that F naught zero, then probability of A union B, or that is F, is equal to probability of A oblique F, or plus probability of B oblique F, or minus probability of A intersection B, or that is oblique F. So, देखिए, इसका प्रूफ हम इस तरह से लेकर के चलेंगे. In particular case, if A and B are disjoint set, अगर particular case में हमारा A और B disjoint set है, A and B are disjoint set, then probability of A union B F is equal to probability of A by F, or plus probability of B by F minus 0, यानी कि this is equal to probability of A by F और प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी बाई एफ। क्यों? क्योंकि ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल टू एम्प्टी सेट और देयरफॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल टू 0। अगर आपके ए और बी दोनों डिस्जॉइंट सेट हैं तो देन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी is equal to empty or therefore we know that the probability of the event A intersection B is equal to total number of favorable cases of the event A intersection B upon total number of sample point ns. So therefore the probability of this should be equal to 0. Now case second, if A and B are not disjoint set, तो देन तब हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी और एफ इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम देखें बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द कंडीशनली प्रोबेबिलिटी वी राइट दिस इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A union B intersection F or divided by probability of F by the definition of the conditionally probability. Now, by using the distributive property, or that is probability of A intersection F or that is union probability of B intersection F or upon probability of F by using the distributive property or union, or this is equal to probability of addition to A intersection F or plus probability of B intersection, probability of B intersection F minus probability of A intersection F or that is intersection B intersection F or divided by probability of F, or this is equal to, by on breaking the LCM A intersection F by PF plus probability of B intersection F by PF और माइनस, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो F इंटरसेक्शन F इज इक्वल टू F इंटरसेक्शन F इज इक्वल टू आपका जो है यहां पर आ जाएगा ये है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B और दैट इज इंटरसेक्शन F और बाई P और अगेन फर्दर वी कैन राइट दिस, हम इसे लिख सकते हैं that is equal to probability of A by F और plus probability of B by F और minus probability of A intersection B by F और hence proof the result yes. Property third, probability of E complement oblique F is equal to 1 minus probability of E, conditional probability of E, when F is already occurs. Then we know that, हम लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं अभी हमने बाई प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट से भी प्रूव किया था हमने कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ S by F should be equal to 1, but also we know that S is equal to E union E complement. S की जो वैल्यू होती है that is equal to E union और that is E complement. हाउ कैसे होती है? अगर हमने ये कोई सैंपल स्पेस लिया that is the event is say E, so then this is the portion is E complement, and the union of E and E complement should be equal to आपका S equal. Now put here the value of S we get E union E complement oblique F is equal to 1, or this implies that by the property second, probability of E by F or plus probability of E bar by F, that is E bar by F is equal to 1, और इसको हम उधर ले गए तो then probability of E complement of F should be equal to 1 minus probability of E by F. इसी के साथ हमारी जो है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द कंडीशनली प्रोबेबिलिटी कंप्लीट होती है। अब हम लेकर चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज। यस, एक्सरसाइज 13.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, गिवन दैट E and F are event such that E and F are two events such that probability of E is equal to 0.6 and probability of F is equal to 0.3 and the probability of their intersection is this, then find the value of probability of E by F. Solution of question number 1 is, we know that probability of E by F, that is the conditionally probability. देखिए इसे लिखने का जो डिनोट करने का जो मेथड है, probability of E सिंपल लिखी जाती है only E when F is not occurred, but if we write E by F, it means the what is the probability of the event E when the event F has already occurred. So this is equal to probability of E intersection F or upon that is say Pf. Or here probability of E intersection F is already given 0.2 upon probability of that is say F, और F की probability हमारे पास है 0.3 और this is equal to 2/3. Now the second part is probability of F by E अगर हम लोग चाहते हैं तो this is equal to probability of E intersection F or divided by the probability of E, or this is equal to 0.2 upon oblique probability of the divided by this 0.6 point cancel or that is say 1/3. Now question number 2, अगर हम 2 का सॉल्यूशन देखें here probability of A by B हमें निकालना है, तो probability of that is A by B should be equal to probability of A intersection B or that is divided by probability of B, or probability of A intersection B 0.32 or divided by 0.50 इसको पॉइंट से पॉइंट कैंसिल हो गया और that is 16/25. So therefore the probability of A by B is equal to 16/25. Yes. Question number 3. पी ए इज इक्वल टू 0.8 और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी इक्वल टू 0.5 and probability of b by a is equal to 0.4. 0.4. Then evaluate find first is probability of A intersection B. Second is probability of A by B. और थर्ड इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी. देखिए, दिस क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो द क्वाइट सिंपल क्वेश्चंस. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी हियर गिवन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी बाय ए. So therefore we start the question from this given conditional probability. Probability of P by A by the definition probability of P intersection A or upon probability of A, or this implies that probability of A intersection B, because the intersection is commutative, or this is equal to probability of A into probability of P by A. We also write the value where PA is 0.8 or multiply probability of P 0.4, or this is equal to 0.32. So therefore the first part is clear. Now we find probability of, that is the first part, or probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B is equal to 0.32, or upon probability of B 0.5. 0.5 0 लगा, और that is 16 और pi 25. Now the third part, that is the quite simple, ये आपने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा है. By the addition theorem, probability of A union B is equal to PA plus PB or minus A probability of A intersection B. By using the addition theorem, that is 0.8 or plus A 0.5 और minus A, हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा probability of A intersection B 0.5, that is 32 और 8 और 5 13, that is say 8 और 5 13, that is 8 और 5 13 1.3 और minus 0.32, इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, और this is the answer of the probability of A union B. Yes. Question number 5. If probability of A and probability of B are given, then and probability of A union B is also given, then find the following probabilities. देखिए, हम लोग यहाँ से हम इसे उठाएंगे क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशंस को, ने? So probability of A union B by using the addition theorem. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो addition theorem, we know that probability of A union B is equal to PA plus PB minus probability of A intersection B, or probability of A union B is equal to 7 by 11, or that is 6 by 5, or plus 5 by 11 minus probability of A intersection, or that is 7 by 11 is equal to, आपका ये आ गया इधर लिया इसको, minus के 5 by 11, or that is minus के 6 by 5 is equal to minus के A intersection B. 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 11 minus 6 by 5, or minus probability of A intersection B. By taking the LCM is 55, or 11 5 ja 55 10, or minus 11 6 ja 66, probability of A intersection B. Okay. 66 minus 10 minus के 56 और पाई, अगर उसको देखें तो 11 5 जा 55, 5 2 जा 10, और 11 6 जा 66, 56 by 55, which is wrong. देखिए, you see again, minus 7 minus 5, or that is 6 by 5, or 7 by 11. Probability of A union B. Yes. देखिए यहाँ पर जो आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए है, दिस इज 6 by 11, और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इज 6 by 11, और दैट इज 6 by 11, और दैट इज 6 by 11, और इट मीन्स दिस इज इक्वल टू minus k 4 by 11. So probability of A intersection B is equal to 6 by 11. This is the first part. Or second part, probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B, or divided upon probability of B is equal to 4 by 11. or divided by probability of B is 5 by 11, और this is equal to आपका 4 by 5. इसी तरह से आपका आ जाएगा थर्ड पार्ट, हम निकाले थर्ड पार्ट में चाहिए probability of B by A is equal to probability of B intersection A upon probability of A. और probability of B intersection is 4 by 11, और divided by 6 by 11, और that is 2 by 3 is the answer. Yes, question number 8. A die is thrown 3 times. Then there are the 2 events. 4 appears on the third toss, or that is third toss, and 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first 2 tosses. Then find the probability of E by n. देखिए, हम लोग सबसे पहले सैंपल पॉइंट इसमें लिखेंगे. When a die is thrown 3 times, then NS total possible outcomes is equal to 260, or E be the event. Therefore, there is no need to write the event E, because there are the many possible outcomes in favor of the event E. So therefore, first of all, we write the event, set of event is F. कैसे? 6 on the first, 5 on the second toss, and 6 5, that is 1. Suppose 6 5, that is 2, or 6 5 3, or 6 pi 4, or that is 6 pi 5 or 6 pi, or that is 6. So total possible outcomes here. Now E intersection F. E intersection F, that is the outcomes in which the third cross continuum is 4 is equal to 6 pi, or that is 4. So therefore, probability of F is equal to Nf upon Ns, or that is equal to Nf 6 by 216 is equal to 1 by 36, or probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 216, or therefore we find here probability of E by F. Therefore, probability of E by F is equal to probability of E intersection F by probability of F is equal to probability of E intersection F is 1 on 216, or 1 by 36 is equal to 36 by 216, or is equal to 1 by 6 is the answer. Now, question number 9. Here, the question number 9 is mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Where E is the event, son on one end, or F is the event, father in middle. In the middle. There are the total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangement is equal to factorial 3. Or here E is the set of event in which the son on the one end. देखिए हम सपोज ये आ गया आपका सन, और ये आ गया आपका फादर, और दैट इज मदर, या आपका सन और मदर, और दैट इज से फादर, या आपका मदर, फादर और सन, या फिर फादर मदर मिडिल में आ जाए, और दैट इज सन. तो देयर आर सन, फादर, मदर, son at the end, son at the end, son at the end. So therefore there are the total number of possible outcomes is 4. Or F is the event. We write only those arrangement in which father sit in the middle. So then S or F or that is M, and M or that is F or that is S. In both cases, father in the middle. So therefore, E intersection F is equal to SF M and MF or that is S. Or therefore, probability of E is equal to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Or probability of F is equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Or probability of आपकी E intersection F should be equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. और therefore probability of हमें इसमें चाहिए E by F. Then what is the probability of E by F is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So this is equal to probability of E is 2 by 3, or that is E intersection F is 1 by 3, or probability of F is F is also 1 by 3, or this is equal to 1 is the answer.